Picture this, a sleek, faceless helicopter rocketing into the heart of a war zone, piloted not by a human with nerves of steel, but by cutting-edge AI that never blinks or hesitates. It's a glimpse into a future where warfare might unfold without a single soul in the cockpit, and it's both thrilling and terrifying. But before we dive deeper, let's unpack this groundbreaking revelation that's shaking up military aviation. In a recently released video that's sending chills down spines, Sikorsky unveiled their revolutionary U-Hawk, a robotic variant of the iconic Black Hawk helicopter engineered to operate entirely on its own. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete overhaul. Gone is the traditional cockpit that pilots have relied on for decades, creating extra space and opening up possibilities that could redefine battlefield logistics. For newcomers to this tech, think of it like trading a bulky family van for a sleek, high-tech delivery truck, optimized for efficiency, not human comfort. The video showcases simulations of this autonomous marvel navigating treacherous war zones solo, highlighting its capabilities in a way that feels almost surreal. Equipped with spacious front-facing doors that swing open like a clamshell, the U-Hawk can haul over 33 tons of cargo, including weapons, vehicles, and supplies. It's designed to traverse 100 kilometers in a mere 16 hours, making it a powerhouse for rapid deployments. And here's where it gets really innovative. The helicopter can deploy swarms of reconnaissance or attack drones right from its bay, or unload unmanned ground vehicles seamlessly through those same doors. Most people miss the sheer versatility here. It's not just flying, it's coordinating an entire automated fleet mid-mission. By ditching the cockpit, Sikorsky has freed up room for oversized payloads, like a full HIMARS pod packed with 6 rockets or even 2 naval strike missiles. This extra capacity means transporting gear that would otherwise require multiple trips, streamlining operations in high-stakes scenarios. The company didn't rush this. Their spokesperson noted that the entire process, from initial concept to a tangible prototype, took just 10 months. They cleverly adapted the existing UH-60L Black Hawk model into the S-70 UAS U-Hawk, transforming a crude workhorse into a fully autonomous, unmanned aircraft system. Described as incredibly adaptable, this UAS boasts 25% more cargo space than a standard Black Hawk. It can carry internal fuel tanks for extended endurance, allowing it to hover or loiter for up to 14 hours without refueling. Perfect for surveillance or waiting for the right moment to strike. Its flight range stretches an impressive 1,840 miles, enabling operations far beyond typical borders. Operators control it all via a simple tablet, from ignition to shutdown, making it accessible yet powerful. Rich Benton, Sikorsky's vice president and general manager, summed it up perfectly. Sikorsky is innovating a 21st century solution by converting UH-60L Blackhawks into a fully autonomous utility platform. He added that they built this prototype from scratch in under a year, and the modifications can be scaled up quickly and cost-effectively. The U-Hawk continues the Black Hawk legacy of being the world's premier utility aircraft and opens the door to new capabilities as a UAS. Now, this shift to autonomous warfare isn't without its hot-button issues. But here's where it gets controversial. Imagine drones making life-or-death decisions without human oversight. Could this lead to errors, ethical dilemmas, or even a slippery slope toward fully automated conflicts? Some experts argue it reduces casualties by keeping soldiers out of harm's way, while others worry about accountability and the dehumanizing effect on war. It's a debate worth having. Does this innovation save lives, or does it risk escalating violence in unpredictable ways? What do you think? Is robotic warfare the future, or a Pandora's box we shouldn't open? Shifting gears to another futuristic transport idea, this pilotless helicopter isn't the only game changer in aviation. Just as Sikorsky is revolutionizing military ops, Another innovator is poised to disrupt everyday deliveries with massive floating warehouses in the sky. Picture enormous blimps hovering like gentle giants, slashing shipping times, costs, and pollution while dodging the chaos of ground traffic. Spearheaded by Aeros, a Los Angeles-based airship manufacturer, this concept could soon bring humanitarian aid, giant wind turbines, or even flying factories to those who need them. Lead designer Igor Pasternak, who's poured over a decade into this vision, insists the designs are nearly ready for launch. He explains that these airships can ascend and descend vertically, holding a steady hover for extended periods, unlike traditional planes that need runways. The plan kicks off with a pilot program this year, testing drone deliveries in a small Los Angeles area using their Sky Dragon surveillance airship. And this is the part most people miss. These aren't just quirky gadgets. They're scalable solutions for global challenges, from emergency relief in remote areas to transporting bulky industrial parts without clogging roads. As we wrap up, these advancements, from faceless helicopters to sky-high warehouses, paint a picture of a world where machines take the wheel or the air. But they also raise big questions. Are we ready for a military where humans are sidelined? Could these airships truly cut pollution, or might they introduce new environmental risks? Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you see this as progress or potential peril? Agree or disagree? Let's discuss.